Setting up LaserShield is one of the most pleasing consumer electronic experiences you'll ever have. Most importantly, it's easy to understand. Unpack your system components. 2 keychain remote controls are included with the required power and telephone cords. The master alarm unit comes equipped with built-in backup battery and a 110 decibel siren. The wireless detection unit is also equipped with built-in backup batteries in the event of a power outage. Plug in your master alarm unit to power and a phone jack just like a cordless phone. A built-in splitter allows you to plug your telephone into the LaserShield if the wall jack is occupied. LaserShield uses your existing phone line and dials out using a toll-free 800 number. Master units can be placed under beds or hidden from view to increase protection.
LaserShield on.
Plug-and-place detection units in strategic locations an intruder would have to pass to access your property. Place the unit in a higher location if you have pets. A pet shield is included with every unit to help configure the system for pet owners. Detection units sense motion for up to 1,200 square feet or a 40 by 40 foot area. You can see a red light which illuminates when movement is detected. This makes it easy to aim the unit to cover the desired area. Each wireless device is embedded with a unique digital ID code. Link all your devices in under 60 seconds.
Learn mode. Warning, there are no remote devices in your system. System is deactivated.
While in Learn mode, transmit a one-time emergency panic signal from each device.
Satellite number 1 stored in memory. Satellite number 2 stored in memory. Keychain remote number 1 stored in memory. Keychain remote number 2 stored in memory. There are 2 satellites, 2 keychain remotes in your system. Exiting Learn mode.
You have the option of immediate activation using the internet from home. Let us know where the system is located, where to reach you in an emergency, and if you can't be reached, we ask you to choose up to 3 people such as friends, family, or neighbors who can possibly assist if a situation arises in your absence. After activation, test the system by triggering a panic alarm and let the siren ring at least 5 seconds.
LaserShield disarmed.
Have the passcode ready that came with your system. Follow instructions when the phone rings.
Hello? This is an automated call from Rapid Response Monitoring. We have received a direct signal from your security system. Your account is not currently active. To activate your account, press 1. Please enter your passcode, followed by the pound sign. Your account has been activated. All alarms from this point on may be subject to authority notification.
It used to take days and cost thousands. You just got effective, affordable security in under 10 minutes. Using LaserShield is easy. Simply arm the system using your keychain remote when leaving.
LaserShield arming.
You have 60 seconds to exit the property or slide into bed for the night. Bedside units can be bypassed at night while main living areas are still protected. When returning or waking, simply disarm the system with your keychain remote. LaserShield will beep to remind you to disarm the system before the official alarm is triggered.
LaserShield disarmed.
LaserShield motion sensors are state-of-the-art. If an intruder does enter, the siren engages to frighten him away, and an immediate call is placed to rapid response. In addition to notifying authorities, the Rapid Response Service will repeatedly attempt to locate you to warn you to use caution when returning and that a danger may exist. This feature empowers parents to warn children before returning, to avoid intruder confrontation, and to make certain if you're away someone is responding in the event of an emergency. Our customers feel the notification services are the most important benefits. We believe you'll feel the same.